Elityala liza kuhlalelwa inkundla ephakamileyo ePitoli. Kuza kuba kumanyelwe isicelo salowo owayesakuba ngumongameli uJacob Zuma xa abemeli bakhe bezama ukuguqula isigqibo sokuba abuyele ejele. Ikwayile nkundla iwise isigqibo sokuba uZuma ayekugqibezela isigwebo sakhe. iJacob Zuma Foundation kunye nesebe lezobulungisa bafuna esi sigqibo sibe kwicaleni.
They will point out a whole range of things to point out the wrongness of the judgment. Indeed, we are very convinced that this judgment is wrong in so many ways, in law and in various aspects. It's just wrong, this judgment. I mean, one of the first things is even in the issue of urgency, that they will point out that it was not even urgent, this matter. Who exactly was prejudiced by the fact that President Zuma is on medical parole? Why couldn't this have waited until next year?
Umanyi ukwathi umcimbi wokuba okaZuma ugulela ukufa okanye hayi uzakhe uxoxwe nawo ngamagqwetha akhe. Ezinye ingcali zezomthetho zithi lo kaZuma noba unoya kweyiphi na inkundla khangeleka ngathi uzawubuyela etrongweni.
Remember, what is happening is the effectiveness of a constitutional court order. That is really what's at stake. So, Mr. Zuma and the Department of Correctional Services are arguing that they may withdraw or rather cut the effectiveness of a constitutional court order at any time based on incorrect legal principles. And that's why the rule of law is at stake. So I think Judge Mathoyana has made it very difficult for Jacob Zuma to win this. Even if he goes all the way, I think we will eventually see him back in prison at some point in time.
Elityala liza kuhlalelwa ngomso enkundleni. Yolisa Njamela, weendaba ze-SABC eGauteng.